Hello guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Bros. In today's video, here I am again to show you how to make Apple Watch Series 6 guys. You can see guys, I will keep it for hand and I will show you. Guys, it was not fitting to my hand because this I made for my brother. You can see guys, this is the phone which I made for my brother and this is the watch which I made for my brother, and also I have made AirPods for my brother guys. I will show that in next video guys. Now let's see how to make this guys. This is my phone, so I need a white color watch for like this guy. So let's start the making guys. First of all, we need a cardboard like this, a small piece of cardboard guys, and now we have to cut it in which shape we want. So guys, I am cutting in a particular shape guys, in a small square guys. This much is enough, I think so guys. I am not measuring anything and doing guys. Just purposely I have taken some amount of measurements and I am doing guys. You can see guys, we have to cut it like this, and now we have to cut it like this, and now we have to do not throw this piece guys. We have to use it for like this. I'm making another piece. And we have to also not throw this, and also we have to use this as we need a watch guys, a fat watch. We can also use 2 if we want. We can also use 3 if we want. I'm using 3 here guys, and it got cutted. And guys, here upside I will be keeping white, so that when I keep white color paper at here, it will look awesome guys. So let's stick the 3. You can see guys, I have pasted this all at a time guys, and now we have to press them all guys properly. Press tightly, we have to press them guys, so that our watch will be nice and stiff guys. And now we have to cut the edges. You can see guys how beautiful it looks when we cut the edges. You can see guys, I have cutted the edges. I think this size will be okay for me, and I have made it this size of watch, but this looks somewhat bigger guys, so let it be. This also will look nice. And now we have to make the cover for this, so that first we need this type of paper guys, and now we have to keep the paper, this one like this, reversely at a small corner like this guys. Please keep a space to at the out guys. So I am keeping glue on this paper guys, and I will keep it on this here guys. And now we have to cut like this guys, and guys, now we have to also cut it like this. And do not waste this paper guys, we should keep this beside guys. I will see why that is used again guys. And now we have to fold all of these sides like this, and now we have to make the corners cut like this guys. We have to cut it like this guys, as I am doing now. Properly and neatly we have to cut it guys, so that the covering will be good. As many pieces we want we can make. And now we have to keep the glue here guys, and now we have to keep one part like this. I have kept one part, And now let's keep another part, another corner, guys. And now let's keep some amount of gum again. And now let's keep this part. And now let's keep this part. And guys, you can see how beautiful it looks now only from the top like this when we keep. So guys, now let's keep some more glue here, guys. We will keep it here directly. Here I have kept one drop of glue, guys. You can see, and I am sticking them like this to the cardboard properly, all the sides properly, guys. You can see, guys, I have made them. Now also keep this one. It should look like real watch, guys, so that only it will look as style, guys. This is also a paper edition of watch, guys. And I think, guys, you can see it properly. You can see, guys, how beautiful it looks from the top. And now let's also paste this both. One drop again I have kept and sticking them. It's over, guys, and now we have to keep like this and do like this. Slowly we have to do, guys, so that the extra any paper came out, there will be nicely sticked, guys. And now you can see, guys, how beautiful it looks, guys. And now we have to take a marker and open it. And guys, now we have to make as a screen using marker. You can see, guys, as I am here doing. You can see, guys, I have done with the screen. And so, guys, now let's do the watch part. Here the strap part, let's do, guys. To doing that, we need a white paper that we have cut it here, guys, and we have to use like this. And my hand is big, so I am keeping this side, and let's cut this, guys. In this way we will cut this. I think this much of thin is enough. And now, guys, you can see I am drawing line. You can see, guys, I have taken a strap like this, and now we have to keep it correctly in the middle, guys. I am sticking it, guys, properly and correctly in the middle, guys. Guys, you can see that I have sticked it in the middle. And now what to do is we have to cut here like this, and again here also, guys, but it is not coming. Okay, I will try. You can see, guys, I am trying it. This is also a very hard thing, guys. And guys, after cutting, we have to keep our scissor here like this and keep on going, cutting, cut. And guys, also we have to make same type of thing from here. So I am doing from here, guys, because it is not coming from that side. I am using the sharp part to cut because the gum is stopping to cut, guys. You can see, guys, I have cut it like this, and we have to throw this extra extra straps, guys. It should look like this, guys. And now what we have to do is, again we have to take this paper and cut small amount of strap like this. And guys, we have to cut it again like this. We need two like this. We have to keep them aside. And now let's get to this part. And guys, here what we should do is fold this like this and cut here. Not totally, guys. We have to cut a small amount or small part so that it comes like this, guys. And we have to take out this part. You can see, guys, how nice it looks. And guys, now we have to insert this in this and see that the size is enough or not. I think, guys, the size is enough. No, the size is not enough, guys. So remove it and make it still more bigger, guys. You can see, guys, I have made it still more bigger. Yes, guys, more I have made it bigger. And now let's insert this paper. You can see, guys, after it coming like this, I think my hand size is this much, so it should come like this, guys. And now here what to do is, guys, we have to take this paper and we have to we have to keep a mark here, guys. I think my wrist size is that much only, and I am taking this much only, guys. Okay, I am keeping a mark here and here, guys. You can see I have kept a mark. Now let's remove it from this. And guys, now what to do is, this one we have to keep up on the mark correctly. And guys, we have to paste it. This is we are doing why? Because to get a grip, guys. To get grip we are doing like this, guys. Also we have to take another and paste it at the front. You can see, guys, I am pasting that like this. Rotate that and paste it. Finally we have to give some gap, guys. You can see, guys, I have gave some only gap, and now this works as like this, guys. When we insert this in this and remove it in from like this, and we should remove like this from the both, guys. And now we have to do like this, insert it like this, guys. You can see, guys, this is not got pasted correctly. After pasting this, it will look awesome, guys. Can see it will be fitted like this and it will not come out, guys. This is done, guys. This is nothing but paper watch series 6 and 5. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click that I button to see our older videos. And guys, thanks for watching. Guys, you can leave.